Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Epiphone SG series coming in for pro setup. Apart from that, he also wants to change a few parts, output jack, toggle switch, and a set of gotoh locking tuners as well. So enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Epiphone SG series coming in for a pro setup. And after that, change the toggle switch as well, plus the output jack and gotoh locking tuners. So yeah, pretty nice. This is the sound test. I'm gonna quickly tune up. Strings are Diadario 1046, so this is a sound test.
yeah, guitar is ready. Let me know when you wanna pick up. Bye. Okay, before I leave you guys, bass side on the 12th fret is 1.25 or 1.5. On the treble side is 1.5 also. Okay. Yeah, he actually wants it to go a bit lower, but we start off from here. Then if let's say he wants a bit lower, then I can reduce it to maybe 1.25 or even 1. But yeah, this is the 0 point before I make any adjustments, maybe higher or lower. Okay, so pretty much that's it. Guitar is very comfortable. Even at this height, it's actually quite comfortable. It doesn't fight you as much. But yeah, I love it. This guitar is a beauty. Bye.